Hello everyone, I'm Nana Gite. Welcome guys in our online session for maths. Yesterday we saw in our online session to plot rational number on number line if denominator is greater than numerator. Today we are going to see our first lesson rational and irrational numbers. In our first lesson rational and irrational numbers, comparison of rational numbers. Okay, we are going to compare two rational number, which is greater, which is less. So start our session. You all know about number lines. The right side of 0 there are positive integers, left side of 0 there are negative integers. Negative integers less than 0 and 0 less than positive integer, means positive integers are greater than 0. So on this number line you can see here is -5 and 3. Compare -5 and 3. -5 and 3. 3 is a positive integer and -5 is a negative. So -5 is less than 3. -5 less than positive 3 number. In this way you can see here -6 and -4. There is 0. This is left side of 0 on number line. So on left side numbers which are negative numbers, if numbers become bigger, it's less than its previous number, means -6 on number line, -6 number, previous of this number is -5 and -4. So here -6 is less than -4. If there is -5 is less than -4. -4, if here is -3, -4 less than -3. Okay. 0 is greater than negative number, 0 is less than positive number. Remember it. 0 is less than positive number and 0 is greater than negative number. Remember this. Now compare rational numbers which is in fraction. This is our number line again. This is 0 and this is 1. Here is 3/4 and 1/4. Denominator is 4. Here is also denominator 4. Both denominators are like denominator, means same denominator. So compare between numerator. Here is 3 and 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Which lies between 0 to 1. You know, on previous session we saw if denominator is greater than numerator, number lies between 0 to 1. Okay, so 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Now I am taking some examples from exercise. Our first example is -7 and -2. Compare both rational number -7 and -2. Here you can see -2 is a smaller number in negative and -7 is bigger than -2. So -2 is greater than -7. Put greater than sign here. -2 greater than -7. Our second example, see here 0 and -9/5. 0 and -9/5. You recently see 0 is greater than negative number. Here 9/5 is a minus, means negative. So 0 is greater than -9/5. 0 is greater than any negative numbers. Recently we saw. So 0, put the sign between 0 and -9/5. Greater than sign, 0 greater than -9/5. Our third example, 8/7 and 0. 8/7 and 0. Now here 0 is less than positive number. Okay. Recently we saw 0 is always less than positive number. 8/7, this rational number is positive. So here 8/7 is greater than 0. So I put greater than sign between 8/7 and 0. 8/7 greater than 0. 8/7 greater than 0. Our next example, -5 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. This is our two rational numbers. -5 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now observe the both number. You can see here denominator of this first number is 4. Denominator of second number is also 4. Both denominators are like denominator, means same denominator. So compare between numerator. Here numerator is -5 and 1. Second numerator is 1. So this is negative number, this is positive number. So 1 is greater than -5. If 1 is greater than -5, then second integer, second rational number is greater than first rational number. Means this -5 by 4 is less than 1 by 4. So put the sign less than here between 5 by 4 -5 by 4 less than 1 by 4. Okay, listen carefully. Again I repeat, if denominator of given rational number, denominator of given two rational numbers are same, means like, then compare between their nominator. Compare between their nominator. Okay, so here we compare 1 and -5. -5 is less than 1. So I write here -5 by 4 less than 1 by 4. Okay. Our next example. -17 by 20 and -13 by 20. -17 by 20 and -13 by 20. Now observe the both rational number. Here denominator of both is 20. Here 20, 20. Okay. -17 denominator is 20. -13 denominator is -13 by 20 denominator is 20. So in this example, both rational number has same denominator. So then compare between numerator. Compare between numerator. But here both numerator are in negative sign, with negative sign, means -13 and -17. Again -13 is less than 13 is less than 17. 13 is less than 17. So -13 is greater than -17. -13 is greater than -17. So -17 by 20 is less than -13 by 20. -13 by 20. Okay. So you can put sign -17 by 20. -17 by 20 is less than -13 by 20. -17 by 20 is less than -13 by 20. Put here minus sign. Here I miss the minus sign. So you put the minus sign here. Okay. Here minus sign. So -17 by 20 is less than -13 by 20. -13 by 20. Okay. Now see our next example. If denominators are unlike, means यदि दिए गए रैशनल नंबर में डिनोमिनेटर्स दोनों नंबर के डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल नहीं है, समान नहीं है. ओके. देन फाइंड लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. यू नो एलसीएम. लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल मीन्स एलसीएम इन शॉर्टकट. तो हमें उन दोनों नंबर का एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है, मतलब कॉमन मल्टीपल हम यहाँ पे ढूंढेंगे. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर 8 and 12. ओके. हियर डिनोमिनेटर आर नॉट कॉमन, सो फाइंड आउट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ बोथ. दोनों का कॉमन मल्टीपल हमें ढूंढना है. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे कि 8 का टेबल और 12 का टेबल में देखेंगे कि कौन सा कॉमन मल्टीपल है, मतलब आ रहा है. इफ 8 1 2 1 8 8 2 जा 16. If we take in this way 8 here, you can write here 8 into 3. 8 into 3, you get 24. 8 into 3, you get 24. Okay, you can see here this is 24. You get 24. Okay, and 12 into 12 into 12 से कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा हमें? 2 से अगर हम करेंगे तो हमें 24 मिलने वाला है. ओके, यू गेट 24. साइड में हमने कर लिया है इसको इस तरह से. तो दोनों का एलसीएम 24 हो सकता है. तो अगर हम पहले रैशनल नंबर में न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें हमारा डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा 24. एंड सेकंड नंबर में 8/12 में इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 ऑन बोथ साइड 8 into 2 and 12 into 2 डिनोमिनेटर बिकम्स 24. मतलब दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएगा 24. देन यू कैन कंपेयर with numerator. You can compare with numerator. So on next step, write down here 8 into 3 24 and 12 into 2 24. I write down here 8 into 3 24 and 12 into 2 24. हमें रफ कैलकुलेशन में एलसीएम ढूंढ लेना है वहाँ पे और यहाँ पे लिखना है. मतलब हमें 8 into 3 करने पर हमें इसका डिनोमिनेटर 24 हो रहा है. 12 into 2 करने पर हमारा सेकंड रैशनल नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर 24 हो रहा है. सो मल्टीप्लाई numerator and denominator by 3 first rational number in this way. 7 into 3 and 8 into 3, you get 21/24. For second rational number 8/12, multiply by 2. Here 8 into 2 upon 12 into 2, you get 16/24, means 16/24. Okay. Here denominator of both rational number becomes same, 24 and 24. Now compare with numerator. Compare between numerator. Here is 21, here is 26. Sorry, here is 21 and here is 16. Which numerator is greater than 21? Obviously. बराबर है ना? तो ये 21 उससे बड़ा हो गया. तो 21/24 is greater than 16/24. 21 by, you can see here 21/24 is greater than 16/24. So our first rational number 7/8 is greater than our second rational number 8/12. On next step, write down here 21 is greater than 16. 21 is greater than 16. So 21/24 greater than 16/24. So 7/8 greater than 8/12. मीन्स दोनों रैशनल नंबर में हमने 7/8 8/12 से ग्रेटर देन हुआ, बड़ा हुआ. ओके, मीन्स इफ देयर गिवन रैशनल नंबर डिनोमिनेटर्स आर नॉट सेम विच आर डिफरेंट. फर्स्ट टू सॉल्व अवर कंपेरिजन एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट यू फाइंड आउट एलसीएम ऑफ बोथ डिनोमिनेटर एंड दोनों डिनोमिनेटर को हमें एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करके उनका डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना है, हमें इक्वल करना है. ओके, इक्वल होने के बाद हमें उनके न्यूमरेटर में कंपैरिजन करनी है. 21 और 16 न्यूमरेटर हो गया तो हमने उसमें कंपैरिजन की. 21 ग्रेटर हो गया 16 से. सो इन दिस वे वी फाइंड आउट 7/8 इज ग्रेटर दैन 8/12. 7/8 इज ग्रेटर दैन 8/12. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पे हमने डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल होने पर हमने डायरेक्टली न्यूमरेटर से कंपैरिजन किया और वहाँ पे ग्रेटर दैन, इक्वल दैन या लेस दैन का साइन पुटअप किया. और जब डिनोमिनेटर उसको हमने पहले इक्वल किया, उसके बाद हमने वहाँ पे उसको कंपैरिजन किया न्यूमरेटर के साथ. फॉलोइंग रूल्स आर यूजफुल टू कंपेयर two rational numbers Following rules are useful to compare two rational numbers. These rules are given. Suppose a upon b and c upon d are two integer. A upon b and c upon d are two integer. Here b and d positive. Okay. Numerator in given rational number, if denominator is given negative, then you put the sign on numerator and take numerator as a negative. So here b and d is a positive. So multiply. First multiply with denominator of first numerator, and in second multiply with second numerator with फर्स्ट डिनोमीटर. मीन्स हमें ए अपॉन बी और सी अपॉन डी दिया है, तो ए इंटू डी करो एंड सी इंटू बी करो. तो उसमें से जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन बिगर आएगा, देन ए इंटू बी, डी इज बिगर एंड बी इंटू सी. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ए इंटू डी एंड बी इंटू सी. इफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ ए डी and multiplication of BC, compare both multiplication. Okay, if AD is equal to BC, then both rational numbers are equal. अगर दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल है तो दोनों रैशनल नंबर्स आर इक्वल होगा. इफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ AD लेस देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ BC, देन फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर इज लेस देन सेकंड रैशनल नंबर, मीन्स A upon B लेस देन C upon D. एंड थर्ड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ AD इज ग्रेटर देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ BC, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ BC जो हमने किया है, तो फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन सेकंड रैशनल नंबर. ओके, तो ये रूल भी आपको यूजफुल हो सकता है टू कंपेयर बिटवीन टू रैशनल नंबर, क्योंकि छोटे नंबर्स के हम डिनोमीटर के हम एलसीएम जल्दी ढूंढ पाएंगे, लेकिन अगर नंबर्स बड़े हैं तो आपको यू यूज इन दिस वे टू कंपेयर, you use this rule, all these rules to compare rational number. Okay, today's homework first example 15/12, compare rational number. Okay, 15/12 and 7/16 you can apply here. Just recently you saw rule A upon B and C upon D, A into D and B into C. Second rational numbers are 40/29 and 1 minus 141/29. Third is 12/15 and 3/5. Okay, in this way, in this session we learn how to compare two rational numbers. Okay, thank you.